So my intent and motive to come and attend RSD was that I also wanted to give the best to my patients, to add value to their lives and to enhance their personalities.
To learn different things like photography, the digital protocol, what are the challenges that can come during the clinical execution. These were the really great topics.
Deep into the subject also, we have been taught what exactly it is, how it has to be done. So from now, it's my part and my role, how I execute and how I deliver my patients.
I joined this course, RSD, in the vision of having a future dentist, what we are planning right now. And I think after every decade, the era gets changed.
It was great learning experience for me, and as I know Dr. Aslam Inamdar, he is very passionate about the field, and the information which was told to us was very much useful and it's very encouraging.
Rich Smile Design, my time will be reduced considerably, I guess. Time is more crucial when you are a busy practice.
It's a very much an eye-opening course made in the field of digital dentistry, which I've always had a doubt whether it will be appropriate for my practice.
I am ready for this, sir. My team at RSD is ready for this. Ready?